Now, any small thing, Germany take away my son, Germany take away my daughter, Germany do this, Germany did that. Ah, God. Single mothers when they Germany. Wakba yari. Single mothers when they Germany. Now they talk to. Now start to they do single mother. Now start to they do single mother. They ask you now. Any small thing, Germany take away my son, Germany take away my daughter, Germany do this, Germany do that. Why they not go collect your son when be say you don't know yourself, you dey fool yourself, you dey bookie or zuo? Why they not go collect your son? Not only this Europe now for some single mother for that Germany. They don't first get 2-3 children for Nigeria. They will still go Germany, go born 5-6 children. Wait to the German citizen when una go meet for there, the citizens when una go meet for that country. Now so una see say they take they born their women. Now they born every 6 months. They born like pig. Wetin they even they pay me for? Say not be say you born and they pay me now. Fine, you fit decide to born. Not be say you were born for different men. You not feel both say yes, this is the father of my baby. Wow, different blood. Different Kokobiri, Mali, Senegal, Gambia, Ethiopia, Ghana. Una no dey shame. Make we move wa. Una no dey shame. Germany do this, Germany do that. Now alone una dey this Europe. Holland dey there, Finland dey there, Norway dey there, Spain dey there. Why be say any small thing, Germany single mother, all the single mother for this Europe, all the bad ones, now Germany na there for the city. Germany. Una get evil spirit where they enter on our body for them. Any small thing, Germany do this, Germany do that. I need help. Make una come help me. The time when they collect money, they collect money, they spend for men, you not remember. Not be say as government ever they give una the benefit now, they use until they take care of those children. Now go they use and they do nonsense. They do rubbish, they do competition, they buy trainers, they buy with one way long green nyash. Children hair una not go barb. Hair, the girls when they una not go play their hair. Good cloth una not go see for their body. Which kind of life una can't live for this Europe? Some single mother now they talk to. Most especially single mothers when they Germany, not be all some. But out of 100, not reach 5 went good. I beg I dey more una respect una self. Not be only Germany dey. Every year now so I don't get single mother association for that Germany. Single mother association every day year now so I don't get them for that Germany. Kilo day, Yoruba people say kilo day. They soon know we are buying. I use the verse. No na sit down one that day when I went cry out. Any small thing and also live video now come the hungry now. They do live video. They talk nonsense. Germany do they take away my son. Germany do this one, Germany do that one. Una forget say people when una deal with them be second God. Una think say them mumu like useless leaders when they lead us for Nigeria. Anything when they do that they follow you up, then they take your record. No na respect una self now. No na stop to the disgrace other women, innocent women for this Europe. Fine, you fit decide to born 10, but more na they follow one man. After you don't open left for different Kokobiri finish, don't provide your Kokobiri when they Germany finish. To the extent they don't see Nigeria women finish, one respect Kokobiri they not get for our women again for this Europe. Kokobiri, they not they respect Nigeria women again for this Europe. Because of the kind useless life when some of them they live. Now na to just move from pillar to post. Now you did that Germany, now not get one thing one they do. Don't be say as they give una the document, now more go try use and work. Wow, why we now? Now May month your end, now we collect that money, use and they do rubbish. That time I go they do competition. They drink anyhow. Most of them I don't turn drunker for that Deutschland. I don't turn drunker for that Deutschland. Not be today single mother start to the rain. Not be today they start to the year single mother. I don't know why I can't be saying now it can't worst. Any small thing na single mother. And the worst part, not be other country o, e must be Germany. Shebi this one now don just see the rain come out for ground. Na next month na June na see am. Another one go see clear out. I need una help o, please o, this o. If you go do the if you tell them make dem go do DNA test, different blood. Una no dey shame. Na go dey open leg for Kokoberi, Gambia, Senegal, Mali, Ethiopia. After una go dey cry out say Nigerian men they no good, Nigerian men they no dey favor me. How dem want to favor you? How Nigerian men want to favor you when be say character? To cook, you no sabi cook. I know you know wetin, nothing to write home about. Say I am una respect una self, make una respect una self. Because e get some kind things when I come across online, I will just dey like, which kind life be this one for Europe? Which kind life be this one? That thing when e dey on that day, na very expensive thing before. Why relationship not be anything? Why e be say e dey hard to build relationship for Europe? Now because sex for Europe these days be like, e just be like when you go tobacco, go buy cigar. Una no say to go buy cigar for tobacco, you go supermarket, go buy water, come house. Na so sex be for Europe. That relationship, na make most relationship not dey get. You know they get because sex for Europe now anywhere. Ah God, wetin they saw, wetin they play? Single mothers for Germany, single mothers for Germany. Now I can't talk to. Germany take away my son. Germany take away my daughter. If they even they talk, I go dey shame. Because when you suffer, I would say you really know the value of your pikin. Because when you suffer, carry for good 9 months, you can't suffer, push on, you can't come life. You can't feed them. You can't. I don't understand. Last, after many years, then you collect them from you. No, not the shame. Because all the una just the cry come out, may not your be like say una not cry come out. You know they hard una now. Because for that Germany, every year so now they buy men for that. Just pay on alpha. Can't fuck me join us. If you fuck when you come out. In the evening another one still come. No, not the shame. Germany do this, Germany do that, Germany do this. The German citizen when una go meet for that country, now so now they hear say that they collect their children when they born. To start with, they're not they even born anyhow. They're not they born anyhow. You can born one girl and one boy now you can't expect me they use and play. Nothing wanna know. Man. Nothing to write home about. Everything is zero about you. The moon I come out from my front to now too much.